In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove someone from Gameshare PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are two primary methods to remove someone from a PlayStation 5 Gameshare. So if you currently have a Gameshare active, you will be able to remove it in either of these two ways. So to start, the one that I recommend is by going over to the settings on your console, choosing the users and accounts category, and then selecting other. In there, you will be able to find console sharing and offline play. When you choose that option, you will get a pop-up if it is currently active. So all that you have to do is choose the option to not enable it anymore. Immediately upon agreeing with the terms and making sure that it is deactivated, the game share will stop. Besides this method of simply disabling console sharing and offline play, you can go over to account management on the PlayStation website, and under your account page, you will be able to see all of the devices currently attributed to your account. All that you have to do is remove the device associated with the person that you want to remove, and once it is gone from the account management page, it will be removed from the game share consequently. So choose whichever option you prefer. If you have access to the PlayStation console itself, that is recommended, but you can also sign into your account on the PlayStation website and remove it from there when you go over to account management and look under the devices currently attributed to your PlaySN account. If for whatever reason you want to enable game share again, then you just have to repeat the usual steps. Sign into both PlayStation Network accounts on the same console, go over to console sharing and offline play, and enable the option again. You will be able to repeat it as many times as you wish, and it's simple to deactivate whenever you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove someone from Gameshare PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.